Production had to stop on this video. This one's a complete failure. What we have going on here is a mound of tree limbs, new growth, tree stumps, and other pieces of wood and stuff in here, but it's right in the middle of where we can go around on either side of it, but it's just in the way. And we're gonna get it cleaned out with the excavator. What's up? The boss said when you're done playing with the wood pile here, that you're to take down some trees. These trees? Yeah, trees. He said something about building a racetrack. He wants the trees gone. Okay, you got it. Get to it. Yeah, let's build that fucker. Looking a hell of a lot better. Fuck. Production had to stop on this video. This one's a complete failure. He's trying to knock this tree down. It's a very tall one. Well, after digging around and grabbing the roots and trying to get it to trying to get it to knock over for a while. It just wouldn't go, and wouldn't you know, I ended up busting a hydraulic cylinder, and it was leaking out all over the bucket and running everywhere, so I just shut it down. You saw it in the video. I was not happy. I had to have a couple days to get my thoughts together. I was debating on whether or not to even release this video, but I decided to go ahead. Why not? Nobody watches these anyway. You know, I really appreciate my subscribers, but it is what it is. Things break. The world's not perfect. That being the case, I am going to be taking about a month or so off so I can work on some stuff from behind the scenes for the channel, hopefully getting better content, more entertaining content. And I need time to learn how to use the software for all that. I am not that guy that knows how to do any of that, so I'm gonna need some time, and hopefully when I come back we'll have better videos, a little more engagement, or any engagement would be wonderful. But until then, thanks for watching.